This time we're going to go for just a single skin feeder. We're going to load it in two different ways. So the first one, we're going to put the bait right at the bottom of the feed. So you can see we've filled up the mould with pellets, and then we put the bait in there, and I'm just going to put that on the mould, and then the next one we'll do differently. So here you can see we've only sort of half filled the mould. We've made sure that the wafter's right in the middle. And then I'm just going to fill that up, bury in the wafter in there, and then I'll load this one up and we'll compare it then to the one that we've just loaded. We are ready to test. The one on the left, he's got the pellet halfway down. The one on the right, he's got the pellet right down, almost touching the bed of the feeder. Let's see what happens. You can already just see the yellow of the bait, of the hook bait on the left hand one there, which is, you know, a bit further up. So if we're looking for quick bites, that presentation has already, you know, allowed a fish to take the hook bait. Whereas the presentation on the right, where the, you know, the wafter's almost touching the bed of the feeder, still not visible yet. Now, who's to say what's right and what's wrong in this scenario? Some people would argue, hey, that yellow spot's a target, the fish will come down, they hit that target, you get a bite quickly. Other people might argue that a more educated fish might feed, you know, it might back off that bright yellow bait, but it might go over to this green pile on the right here, thinking it's just a pile of pellets, suck it up. And with that critically balanced wafter in the middle, it'll almost definitely get hooked. Now we can see, you know, a development in that the wafter's moved off the spot. So if a carp was coming down to feed on that main bed, there's a chance now that it could miss the wafter. If I just come down to the right here, this stack here, you might just be able to see the yellow of the wafter. I wouldn't be disappointed with that as a presentation. In fact, I think that might be superior for me personally. Whereas the other wafter is over there. So if anything comes down now, simple. I apologise, guys. If some fish comes down into there now, and he just sucks that bait up, bop. He's going to pull that, you know, nothing stopping that going into the fish's mouth. It'll come this far off the feeder before we've got a problem. So you make your mind up what you think is right, guys.